SCampus. Students must follow all policies as outlined in SCampus Part G. We will provide a brief overview, but please refer to SCampus webpage policy.usc.edu/scampus-part-g/ for more details. Some of the privileges that RSOs are granted include the ability to use a campus mailing address and/or mailbox, reserved campus facilities for events, programs, and meetings, the ability to apply for university funding, including student program fee monies, and access to banking services at the USC Credit Union and/or campus activities. In return for granting RSO privileges, the university expects all student organizations to abide by all university policies, regulations, and procedures as defined in SCampus and elsewhere, all state laws and any applicable governing regulations associated with a national affiliation. Limit its participation to students, faculty, staff, alumni, and alumnae of the university. Limit its voting members and officers to currently enrolled USC students. Refrain from discriminating in membership decisions, elections, and all other matters on the basis of race, creed or religion, sex, age, ethnicity, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity, medical condition, and national origin, except those exempted from Title IX compliance, and maintain an advisor that is a USC full-time faculty or staff member. USC Campus Activities reserves the right to revoke, limit, and/or suspend the privileges of a recognized student organization should the organization fail to adhere to any of the responsibilities listed. Any student who knowingly chooses to affiliate with a club, organization, or group that is not officially recognized or has been suspended, disbanded, or dissolved by the university or any external authority is subject to disciplinary action up to and including suspension and expulsion from the university. Student organizations may be held responsible for the acts of individual members. Acts include, but are not limited to, the following types of circumstances. It is the duty and responsibility of every member of every student organization to respond to the conduct of the other members when they are engaged in behavior which violates the law or university regulations. In addition to the group being held culpable, members and officers may be cited and held responsible as individuals for their role. In sum, the policy is that every student organization member has the duty to take all reasonable steps necessary to prevent infractions of university rules growing out of or related to the student organization's life. Students and student organizations shall not engage in any activity that is considered hazing by university standards or as defined in California Penal Code 245.6, which defines hazing as any method of initiation or pre-initiation into a student organization or student body, whether or not the organization or body is officially recognized by an educational institution, which is likely to cause seriously bodily injury to any former, current, or prospective student of any school, community college, university, or other educational institution in this state. Anyone with information about a possible hazing incident has a responsibility to report it to the Department of Public Safety at 213-740-6000 or online at dps.usc.edu. All USC-sponsored or affiliated groups must follow the guidelines outlined in SCampus Part G, Section 3, which include general tip requirements and recommendations and descriptions of the roles and responsibilities of advisors and student coordinators. All recognized student organizations are permitted to fundraise. Full policies and a complete process are outlined in SCampus Part G, Section 8.